Master planning is the art of designing and planning a community, which basically includes the massing of the buildings. It includes the infrastructure, the roads, and the transportation network. It also includes open spaces, parks, recreational places, and everything that is included in a community. So it's all put together, a complete community. Master planning is important because if you don't master plan the future growth of any urban city, it's going to have a very organic and unplanned growth. And when that happens, infrastructure is not designed properly. There is no vision how the city would expand. It just kind of morphs out of nowhere and kind of grows into something that nobody knows what it will grow into. There's no proper zoning. There is no proper planning of open spaces. There's no proper planning for traffic, so you have a lot of traffic congestions. The roads are not wide enough, and sometimes it's a life and safety issues. There are places where in the world they have these unplanned sprawls that have grown outside major cities, mostly in third world countries. And you would find that if there's a fire truck would not be able to go there because they never left, or they never made a road wide enough for the fire truck to go there. And in the process, everything burns down and people lose a lot of money and their livelihoods and their homes. So it's very important for every government anywhere in the world to make sure that any development is properly planned, and that's when they need to engage people like me who do master planning and come up with a master plan, and based on that master plan then allow development so there won't be any chaos down the road.